Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for the support and a big up on yourself. So people, run come the quick and fast. Can we have up at 12 if we talk and we have to go through it quick and fast today. So first let me recap on video yesterday. Cause you know me not call talk like boss to tell her say the lady Charity registered, but she not come. Yeah, guess who come? Frank. Yeah, Frank come. But me get to find what say Frank, a tea lady. Yeah, entertainment. Both them say a tea lady. Yeah. And when you read Frank comments, it sound like tea lady for true. Yeah. Cause me did mention about the award show. Frank say him have ticket, but a tea lady. And it's postponed, not cancelled. Yes, get it right. And with the stay in our lane. Yeah, and you know what if we can't comprehend. Comprehendo. So, you know. Yeah, well spotted. Entertainment boss, big up yourself. You entertained me over here yesterday. Because Frank kept coming back for more. Yeah. So, yeah, it is postponed. It's not cancelled. So make sure you look get it right. Yeah, it's postponed till November, not cancelled. But we go over one place. Yeah, you know, the lady with the number, y'all. My people for fear, y'all. And I see something, so she do a little research, and it said yes, it said something about the thing is on, but AI no update yet. Look like AI no doing them job properly, they no update the update pan there. So, and that messy over the yard, so let's watch and see. Yeah, can be going over there, no me buy a frock and everything, ready. So another little thing, me see, yeah, somebody made a comment because me not talk about, you know, the talk like boss. I was talking about, discuss no other charity, but somebody said we must make she feel say she's of anybody of importance, so we calling out to her. But Marcia charity, but as I said, we not call out to her because she's of any importance. Yeah, we know, say, a bad mind and jealousy and envious and obsession and everything she a fight. We just trying to prove a point to show, say, she bad mind and jealous and envious and all that fit. Yeah. So, I just that we are do over here. We have styled the thing in it to say, why you talking about one person charity all the time when the lady charity is registered, and we know say registered before. We know say her charity that register. To be honest, me know say charity that register. She just now want to tell them our business. She just make them beat up them gum and carry on and make themselves look stupid now. So everybody know them I try to use as just distraction. Yeah. Me she call out tan so good. Tans the ladies style tan so good. Me not hear she style tan so good, and him put up something and she in a planka she wouldn't put it up and all that, and the other one there over there, so I run out every minute. Me see I put them something upon for her platform. So what is that saying? She's saying that she's defending, she's the security guard now. Me no understand the gatekeeper. Anyway, I just thought me I go say no one keep on too long astray after the subject. So, people, Parson, mix up pastor run out again. Yeah. Me guess when me see pastor gone all the way down a jail. Yeah, in a Portie yard. Yes. A Portie yard, me see pastor in pastor clear the ear. But it look like pastor clog up the ear now. Cause that the ear they not clear at all. I think he clog up. Because me know say Curly I go come back out again. Curly coming for you. Yeah. And we can't help you this your time, yeah. In same not take no notice of Curly. Yeah. But I know say you're gonna make Curly lose you're not gonna make Curly lose her soul. Yeah, to cloud cutting. No, so this no normal. So the only thing we gonna say yes, so it's not funny no. It gone too far with you, Pastor. It gone too far with you, and you come out every minute and you explaining and you digging yourself, putting yourself further into the pit. Yeah, because you have talked about what you give people, and then the next hand you sound to me like you was body shaming Curly, because you say Curly is not your type, because Curly must have gone like say you know make me know if Curly must have talked so you know want to put word to her or whatever. Me don't know. But you say she's not your type, you like dolly body and all that. But when you give people money like that, you have to be careful as a pastor, you know, sir. Yeah. And also, especially when it behind the closed doors, you have to be careful, very careful. Yes. So, it is a bit funny because it just like say, you just want to exalt yourself to say how you give them money and you're so kind and all them things there. Me I go talk it through, Pastor. It not sound good. You come out on the mix-up side of the world. No, yes or no. You cross over. You gone too far. You cross over. And when you phone down a Jamaica now, down a Portland, and Curly, and that person, you got your phone in at the enemy camp. So you think Curly are going to take that good. You don't feel say Curly are going to take that very good. Sir. So you gone too far. Me gonna say this. So you gone too far. And you know, and even the sheet you mentioned, say how much sheet you buy off her, and yeah, kind of not talk about the quality of sheet, like say quality of the sheet no good. Yeah. Me know say Curly is too enough. But you should, as a pastor man, shouldn't come and say them things they know, and you come out too often, no sir. You need to stop it now, sir. That's what me I go say. You don't look good, and that's why people them call you mix up pastor. You could mix up in sweet at first, you know, but I think you're gone too far now, pastor. And if you come out every minute and say you give people money, everybody are going to target you soon, sir. Because me want some now too, sir. Yeah. So everybody are going to target you. But I'm a little bit taken back. I think say pastor. It sound like you could have do with liquor therapy too, you know, sir. Yeah? You could do with liquor therapy. Because every time you talk, I know it's your testimony, sir, about when your childhood and so on. But, and you kind of explaining the reason why you got that, you like to give and all them things there. But you did sound like saying you want to break down one at a time, you know, sir. And me know say that you, yeah, me know say he's a pastor. And some people just feel say you must just pray to God and God will heal you and all that. But sometimes you need little therapy. That's what me I gonna say. Sometimes some people need some therapy because it looks like your childhood is actually haunting you, and yeah, I feel say you could do with some professional therapy. Yeah, that's my opinion listening to you. Because it seems to go over the same thing over and over again, and I don't know if you know, you're giving. You can give, but you can't just give away everything soft too. And people will use you. And that's what I'm saying. People will use and abuse you, because that's basically what Curly do. She use you and she abuse you. Yeah. So now same people then when you give to, then cuss you out. Yeah. So, you know, you can't just keep giving and whatever, and then, you know, in the end, and next time you give in, as you say, if you're going to give out, give in front of the camera. Because people will tell lie upon you. Me sure me did tell you this before. Long time ago. Christmas time when you did come up with the storyline. Yeah, so that's what me I gonna say. But Curly, no. Yeah. Curly, you're gonna lose your soul, Yeah. What you gonna gain from just cutting up cloth and lose your soul? Every day you come up on the same thing and come up on the people them. Me see you run up and reasoning with Chyn. And cuss up and go on with yourself. But me feel say Curly, you bad mind, we know say you bad mind still, but me feel say like reason with Chyn. Cause the girl have talents. And you say you have talents too. But for your talent, she's all purpose. Yeah. She can sing. She's good at comedy. She can do everything. Cause hear all the gala, the way Chyn do the gala and promotion. And now she's the shades of pink, how she do that too. Yeah. She's a very talented girl, young lady. And Chyn is well enough to be your daughter, Curly. And you have child pitney and grand pitney, and you behave in such manner. It's disgraceful to listen to it. I mean, apart from play, and me hear one reel. I don't know if I recently you do that reel of a long time ago, and same way so put it up, and somebody comment and say, it's a disgrace the way you're talking about another black sister. And then, a girl, because we know a fair channel, insert us, say something about what you think, not because of her age. When people are picking on her, and then she inserts such lady in her as usual. So, but only is a disgrace, that's all I'm going to say for big women. I mean, now stop say that it's a disgrace. Your behavior is, out of control. I'm going to say. So, I mean, never hear reasoning with Chyn disrespect you in any way. Me never read, as I said, sometimes I don't hear all her video, but she just a bit comedy. It's like she put it over in a bit of a fun way. That's all, that's all I'm going to say. I may not hear it. But, so you run out for reasoning for Chyn, and then mix up Adasa. You make it mix up Adasa, go to police station again. I send you want to threat them. Yeah. So mix up Adasa in here. But you yourself, Curly, did go to station before for people. I'm sure more one time. But anyway, you make a lady go a station. But when me go say anyway, mix up Adasa. Mix up Adasa. You have to get used to that. Because if you come out and you talk about people and then relationship and something there. Yeah, because I say, with a picture Curly window, I see when the man I put foot on shoulder and I do shoulder move and all kind of things. So, she will come out for you. Yeah. And so on. So, you can't keep running to a station every minute if you're in our business. Yeah. Because, me see you did show your picture the other day. You come out and show yourself and all that. And Curly come out now and I say, you're weak and feeble and all and something there. But Curly need to, Curly is out of order. Me I go say, she should be sending out threats, but at the same time, me say, something where you have to go deal with. When you do mix up and you talk about people business, people are going to come out and lash out. So, yeah. So, and that's that me I go say. I saw it I go. So,